discussion on getting how the students can get benefit for the internships and the placements. Because this is every university or college is guessed by one of the parameters how the alumni is enriched and how they connect with the students and the alumni. And I'm proud to say that from last 32 years, our alumni are not only in India but they are the globals. And we can leverage that expertise, their learnings in your career. So I would like to call our panelists on the dais. First, Dr. Neeraj Agarwal sir. Amish Mita sir. Akhil Rogre sir.
Opportunity, how we can foster it, how we can catalyze through this ecosystem management. We have with us the elite gathering actually, Dr. Neeraj Agarwal sir. He is the training placement officer also, and the professor HOD at Mechanical Engineering Department. We have Sri Amish Mita. He is alumni vice president looking after the industries. And he is the CEO and co-founder of Padandra Technologies. We have two budding talented students who have many questions to put how we want and what we want and how we can get it actually. To this session, let us start with the questions to Dr. Neeraj Agarwal sir. Let us understand, sir, will you please tell actually in the journey of this parkour from 1989 to 2024, how the things have changed and what is the placement scenario and how it has changed and what are the deterring aspects actually where the placement is understood to have declined very drastically, particularly for the non-wired branches. Sir.
Very good afternoon to one and all. First of all, I am very thankful for giving me this opportunity to be one of the panelists of one of the very important aspects, that is what the placement. I am handling this placement portfolio since 2008. In fact, the formally training and placement was constituted in our university in 2006, if I am not wrong. And then after completing my PhD, that additional assignment was given. And at the same time, this is really a very pride moment to me that I am sharing the dais with my distinguished alumni, Santosh and my current students, of course. So, I mean, this gives you some kind of satisfaction now we are at the same platform. Of course, now this is a very valid question, and I would say the placement is the one which fixes the reputation of the any kind of institution. IITs and NITs, they are known for one of the reasons of placement. And as like Santosh asked me from 1989 to the university was established in 2023. So basically, if you see the placement graph, it is somehow it is not going upward. Either it is zigzag, but it is certainly, I mean, either down or going up. In fact, if you see that from 1989 to 2023 or 24, the whole game or the landscape or the placement, it has changed. Now there is basically the jobs are shifting from hardcore to the, or you can say from the core engineering to the IT sector. So there are, if you see the job dynamics over the years and the thinking process, the societal change, everything has changed over the years. So till say 2010, 2012, the knowledge of core engineering was sufficient to fetch the job. But now over the years, basically, now the whole scenario has changed. As I said, that a lot of jobs are coming in IT sector, which is a very flourishing. Service sector, I would say, banking and finance sector, which is also a very emerging area. And at the same time, like you see that in the government also jobs are sinking, and even the government of India also promoting that the student should come forward for the innovation, incubation, to start their own startup. So now there you see that as per the requirement, as per the government policy, as per the changing dynamics at the globally, the things were changing. The requirement and the jobs were changing. But somehow that we could not align with the requirement, the kind of that input which should be given to the students. That is one of the reasons that our placement is not very satisfying. Despite taking the efforts, and at the same time we should also accept that the kind of efforts which are required from the university end, starting from management from the top level to the bottom level, that is also not taken, which was due, which should be taken. That is also the reason. If you see that with respect to placement, so now there are efforts which should be taken. So nowadays there are a lot of talk about the soft power. Now even that the elections are, it is win by the soft power, even the, you can say the war are to the soft power. So this is something like that, soft power and the core knowledge. So somehow that we are beginning to train the student to basically infuse their soft power. That is also one of the things we should look into. Of course, when you talk about the efforts which we should take and we are taking, so there are conventional efforts. We collect the information, HR number, and then we write a mail to the student, prepare the Excel sheet. There are some conventional things. But at the same time now, since last 3-4 years, I am very thankful to that the alma mater is very active. They are helping a lot for the placement. We are connecting them. I try my level best whenever I get the information, but not 100%, but I try my level best to comply that. Now we are connecting the industry. We are making a clusters. Now recently we had organized one industry academia meet in last 2 weeks only for the bar industries. We were there. At our own level, through my students only, we are conducting the, like you can say, pre-placement preparation in the form of care. But it should be further strengthened. We should have some amount of, you can say, like this kind of enhancement of soft skill with respect to, you can say, like communication and other things. But the important part is that over here, I feel like that the placement is not like that, because there are some amount of wrong notions are there. Placement is called the company and placement. Placement is a long process. It is a long process where all factors are involved. Your classroom teaching, your input, the training, the syllabus, the exam pattern, the brand value of the university, many factors are there. So somehow at every point we are missing. Every point we are missing. And like, of course, the syllabus, like the intensive is included, but I would say that every point we are missing. We have to work hard for enhancing the brand value of the university. Of course, the alumni is doing good, but from our own efforts, we should take over here. We should do something more. With respect to examination also, more stringent, syllabus also should be formed, classroom teaching should be enhanced, and at the same time, like classroom teaching just is not going to help. There should be some additional component. There should be finishing. There should be skill enhancement courses. There should be a soft skill courses during the 4 year only. And in a one sense you can say there should be some extra efforts, like the student should be motivated, and there should be a continuous, like Santosh ji is very rightly pointed out. If you go to college of Pune, you will see the vibrant atmosphere 24/7. Some other activities are happening, but some our university you see only in daytime. But I mean it is not so vibrant. So we have to take all these things in the serious mode, and then I am sure that this placement can enhance. And I look over here, placement, I would say over here, placement is not like that to get some job in the company. Placement, it's something like, if you see our student, they are in a one sense, you can see our alumni is doing good. And at the same time, we have to also focus, and I'm sure that this alumni, that's what I was talking to Amida also, will help. Somehow that the good quality student, the meritorious student should take admission in our university. This somehow it has declined. It has somehow declined, particularly the post-code. We have to work on that. So I think that alumni unit, I am sure that will help, because then it will more publicity when the alumni, those who are working at such a high position, when they were here, they have shared that and they are ready to help. I am sure that will help. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, to give the insight of what is happening actually in the university. As rightly pointed out, there are many points actually, many dots which has to get connected, interconnected, binded, bridged properly, appropriately. We are always there, sir. Actually, as you have seen last 3 years, we are in continuous support to you. To the next question to our Avnish Midha. He is the CEO and co-founder of Padanta Technology. He is working with the industries also, and luckily actually he is the vice president to the Alumni Association. So my next question to him, Avnish, will you just elaborate what exactly is the scenario, as rightly sir pointed out, how we can connect, how we connect those dots, and what is required by the industry? Can you please elaborate on this?
Yeah, thanks Santosh for inviting me, and I'm privileged to be a panelist in this discussion. And I rightly agree with Agarwal sir. There are quite a few areas that need to be addressed, and that is important. See, I think in my opinion, the main thing, if I look at, see, I'm hiring from Batu, suppose, right? I'm hiring for the last 3 years also. One of the main things that I look, first of all, in a resume is do they have the relevant expertise or experience in the programming language that I'm looking for? That is one. Second, in the domain that I'm looking for, right? वो दिख रहा है क्या कहीं पे? और वो जब दिखता है, then I call them for an interview, for a tech round, and then take the interview, right? So one is the student needs to be employable. See, the age we are in today and the kind of colleges that are there all over India, there's competition, right? Major competition, because the students are many, right? So each student has to think, why would his resume get selected, and what is it that could be missing in his resume that he can work on, even if it is not in the university. Suppose if it's not in your curriculum also. Suppose Python programming is taught to you, you have learned at a basic level, and you are comfortable at a basic level, but you are not at an advanced level. अब प्रोग्रामिंग उतनी थरोली नहीं कर पाते कि वो टेस्ट क्लियर करो या ये करो, तो उसके लिए प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट करनी पड़ेगी. यू विल हैव टू टेक दैट सेल्फ इनिशिएटिव, राइट? देयर लॉट ऑफ वेबसाइट्स अवेलेबल, लीड कोड. इन आवर टाइम्स नथिंग वाज अवेलेबल. These we were just doing it out of our interest and trying to learn. But I think somewhere the student has to take it as his responsibility and not look at just the TPO to get him internships or jobs, right? That is the first thing I would say. Because I've interviewed even IITians and all, but they are all self-driven, right? Of course, in IIT, lot of like projects, real life projects come there, where they get to work and they work with professors, and these are paid projects done over summer time. That adds value to their resume. But they also learn programming themselves, right? They practice themselves. They get stars for themselves in these platforms, right? And develop those skills, and then go for a job, they get selected, right? Because they are able to clear the tech round or whatever, right? So one, I think the student really needs to take the ownership of their career and think कि भाई competition होगा तो मुझे कैसे select करेंगे, मेरा resume कैसे select होगा, first of all, right? वो बहुत important चीज़ है. So every student should think that very actively, right from first year, I would say, not even second year. फर्स्ट ईयर से सोचना स्टार्ट करूँगी मैं क्या क्या स्किल्स डेवलप करूँ ताकि मैं सिलेक्ट हो जाऊँ, राइट? दैट इज वन एस्पेक्ट. सेकंड, आई वुड से इज ऑल्सो द करिकुलम शुड बी सच दैट वी पुट द स्टूडेंट्स इन थरो प्रोग्रामिंग काइंड ऑफ. एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट प्रोग्रामिंग, इट हैज टू बी अ थरो प्रोग्रामिंग sort of expertise. If it's about core engineering, thorough design problems or core engineering problems, right? That they should be given to solve real life, right? Not theory, right? So ये thoroughness कैसे आएगा? I think there's an aspect of what is there in your curriculum that is very important, right? And उसमें we have like board of studies. So what we are trying to do as an alumni, we are trying to get some good board members in the board of studies, right? For example, even for IT and computers, I have gone to even the Zerodha's CTO and I requested him because he's a very open source enthusiast and he's a programming, like he's considered as an icon for programmers, right? So I have requested him, why don't you become part of our board of studies, right? And he's agreed, right? And we have also given that to the university. Now that needs to be passed by the university and appointed to get the real value, right? And once people know that he's in the board of studies of Batu, people will also start to know what is Batu, right? See, how do we build a brand? Brand has to be built by example, right? कौन है उससे associated? वो देख के इतने सारे developers, इतने सारे coders जो who are there in 10, 12, then look at it कि boss Zerodha का CTO उधर board of studies में है, then there is something special there, right? Then they'll start coming up. Right? These kind of things. So branding is one area where we have now put specific focus. In fact, my colleague, Vikrant Matre, who's in the head of quality and process in Hexaware, is now joining the executive committee just to handle branding for Batu, to try and help Batu for branding, right? So we are working with the university, figuring out what could be our plan, how much should be the budget required, right? And how do we take it forward, right? So that's the part he's driving. Just one EC member driving that with the university, working with the registrar and everybody, and even sir is part of that group, right? So the goal is we have to build a brand, and we as alumni also need to build that brand. If there is some content created to show that what is there, what is good in the university, pass it on to your friends, right? Pass it on to students or any groups that you think, go ahead and post, right? We have to build that brand and get interest back so that the students and the kind of students that come, the percentages increase, right? The percentage input cutoff increases for Batu, and that itself will get good students and better students will start joining. But as I said, it's not about whether what percentage you have, but it's also about what you do in those 4 years, right? So thoroughness लाने के लिए, I think it's the job of faculty as well as the students to take up real life problems and work on it. I'm just giving an example, right? Now Rahul Bagmare is sitting here. You know, he's in ISRO, right, as a scientist. Now I was just talking to him कि तुम लोग सैटेलाइट पे भी काम करते हो क्या? उसने बोला कि actually ना मैं अपने spare time में over the weekends he was building a satellite for himself. Just वो खुद ही बना रहा था कि मैं ऐसा एक satellite बनाता हूँ. And for a purpose जो उसने ही define किया, right? वो बना रहा था, already बना चुका था. Then somebody asked within the ISRO that okay, we want to launch such a satellite. He said, I have it ready. मतलब I have done it already. मैं घर पे ready रखा है. So let's make it part of this mission then. They formally then inducted and got it sort of launched, right? The thing is, it has to come by self-interest and self-ownership कि आप कुछ करो. जो आपको interest है, जिसमें passion है, try and invest time, learn and go deeper, right? Don't just stop कि भाई अभी मुझे कौन
कभी-कभी ना खुद का ग्रोथ ना खुद ही करना पड़ता है और उसमें करो जिसमें आपको इंटरेस्ट है और खुद ही करो, मतलब खुद ड्राइव करो, खुद प्रॉब्लम्स लो, खुद सॉल्व करो. चाहिए तो हमारे से प्रोजेक्ट्स पूछो, आस्क अस who is working in this field, we'll connect, no doubt. The alumni is always there to enable, but we cannot be full-time to teach here, right? It has to be something, we can enable you get internships, we can enable you get jobs, but if it's not shown in your resume that you have done something significant to be considered, they will not call you, right? तो वो पार्ट आपको करना पड़ेगा. और जहाँ पे भी see when it's about internships ना, sometimes you get a very good company who's offering internship. For example, one of my friend in say Bangalore, he's working in Toyota, right? He offered internships, right? There was one guy who got internships from a company called Wari, right? जिसका मैं चार्ट दिखा रहा था. That Wari Solar is the biggest solar manufacturing company, right? He got internships. They said I'll take 6 people, but when we sent the request, not even 2 people applied for it, just 2 people, right? They got selected, even got job after that, same company, right? But nobody came forward. Ki bas, I'll go for it. Even if they are not paying, if the company is good, you'll get good experience. Take that as a real good value. आप अपने suppose आप पार्टी में suppose 2000 रुपए खर्च करते हो, उसकी जगह वहाँ जाके अपने खर्च करो और रहो. और उधर हमारे alumni है help करने के लिए. Even for the 2 students who went, when no stipend was being offered, I talked to my alumni. He talked to the management there. They said हमको special एक cash component दे देते हैं. 10,000 they start paying, right? They worked it out. The thing is, there are people to help, but you have to take that step. कि अगर नहीं भी मिला, I'll take it because it come in my resume. I worked for this company. आप उतना experience gain करोगे, right? So focus on getting things in your resume which can attract you, which people can get attracted to hire you, right? One, skills. Second, experience in good companies, right? भले स्टाइपेंड नहीं होगा, सेव करो. मैं बोलता हूँ जब आप अपना खर्चा करते हो ना, उसमें से सेव करते रहो ताकि आप एक ऐसी कंपनी ले सको जहाँ पे इंटर्नशिप मिल रही है, भले स्टाइपेंड नहीं मिलेगा फिर भी, राइट?
तो वो आई थिंक डू दैट एज पार्ट ऑफ योर ओवरऑल करिकुलम. यू नीड टू प्लान योर इंटर्नशिप. डोंट जस्ट से कि यहाँ से नहीं आ रहा है इसलिए मैं नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. वो स्टेट में अपने को कभी रहना नहीं है. आपका करियर है, आपका सी एट द एंड ऑफ इट्स योर करियर एंड योर स्किल्स, राइट? वही मैटर करेगा आगे जाके. ये मैटर नहीं करेगा कि आपको कौन हेल्प कर रहा है. हेल्प करने के लिए बहुत लोग हैं. अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हो ना, इधर 50 एलुमनी खड़े हो जाएंगे आपको हेल्प करने के लिए. बट यू हैव टू शो दैट पैशन, यू हैव टू शो दोज स्किल्स दैट विल बी रेलेवेंट फॉर देम, राइट? सो या आई विल जस्ट स्टॉप एट दिस क्वेश्चन राइट नाउ.
Thank you, Avnish. Avnish has rightly pointed out what are the grey areas actually. One is the support and what is the skill set requirement, the soft skill requirement and the communication skills requirement. Moving to the next panelist, I will ask Divya. Divya, you are working in CDC? Yeah, so it's good. In the present scenario of Baku and Baku campus, first of all, I would like to say that once any student join any university, any college, forget about your input marks actually. Your journey starts from there. Once you have been admitted, that means you are eligible. Once you are eligible, that means you can do wonders. Engineers do wonders, everyone knows. So, my next question to you, Divya, in the present scenario of the campus placement and the Baku curriculum and other, what do you find actually, which are the areas you need support from the alumni or the management, and how we can move forward to see that everybody gets employed by the time he gets his last mark sheet?
Okay, so first of all, I am very thankful to be in front of the people who have professional experience of more than my age. So moving towards the questions, sir, I think we need support from alumni, but it is we who first need to take interest in our own placements, because working with CDC, I have seen students, to be very honest, including me and my colleagues, students are more interested in packages than the quality they are offering. The quality which company is offering, and as sir said, students are not ready to work with the companies who are not offering stipend. From my personal experience, I was thinking the same until I have joined internship now. And the support which we require from alumni institution of course is, I find we lack soft skills, it's presentation skills. Even if we have technical knowledge, means core knowledge of our branch, our respective branch, but we lack in presenting that to the interviewers. We lack that information which they are expecting from us. So I feel training on soft skills is a very important part which we feel actually, because in Baku, as we can see, the ratio of students present for the alumni meet, that is Abhyanta Sangam and Abhyanta Vasant, is drastically different. Means a week or before we had our gathering, so there were plenty of people that chairs were incomplete for them to occupy. And now when we are concerned about our internships and career, so we can see the number of students which are actually interested. So before expecting anything from institution, I feel we as students are lacking very much behind. So first I think we should take more interest, because university means we should be more concerned about our career, I feel. So that is what I want to say.
I'll just add one specific thing that even Sambha Prasad Phulekar actually brought it to my notice yesterday. When we were students, right, if you know Karthik, right, who came today, Karthik and Ganesh, like for example, they started a group called, I think for chemical engineers, it was SESA or something. And they started the initiative कि हम लोग students ही मिलके ना debates करेंगे, we'll have these even people who are good in communication, they started teaching students who wanted to learn certain things of communication, right? Not only that, they also asked students to participate in those debates. चलेगा मराठी बोला starting में. See, the thing is, when you go for employment, they are going to talk in English, right? That is a fact, right? We have to accept that कि वो वैसा होने वाला है, right? अगर पता है तो पहले से प्रैक्टिस तो करनी पड़ेगी ना कहीं. भले आप अपना खुद का ग्रुप बनाओ, कोई भी नाम रखो, भले सेसा रखो, जो भी आपका इंजीनियरिंग है वो रखो या सब लोग मिलके करो, बट एक ग्रुप बना के खुद ही एक दूसरे को हेल्प कर सकते हो. वो हमारे टाइम होता था और हर एक डिपार्टमेंट में होता था, right? तो स्टूडेंट्स वर हेल्पिंग देमसेल्व्स टू बिल्ड देयर ओन स्किल्स. Sambhav Prasad was saying that time I didn't have any communication skills, but that platform helped him to understand and to grow and to improve, right? When you guys talk to each other, I am sure you are talking in Marathi, right? Because you are comfortable with that. पर वो comfort से निकलना पड़ेगा ना. आपको finally interview किसमें देना है? तो चलेगा 40-40 बोलो, पर start तो करो कहीं पे, एक दूसरे से discuss करना. कहीं ना कहीं आपको practice करनी पड़ेगी. Till my 12th ना, और मैं engineering, I always used to talk in Hindi. मैं मॉम वॉज वेरी वरीड कि कंपनी में जाएगा तो बात क्या करेगा, मतलब इसको इंग्लिश आती नहीं, वैसा हो गया. देखो आती थी इंग्लिश, इतनी आती थी, बट बोलनी नहीं आती थी, क्योंकि मैं सब फ्रेंड से हिंदी में बात करता था कि हम लोग कंफर्टेबल विद दैट, राइट? सब बॉम्बे से आए थे, सब हिंदी में बात करते थे. बट एक्चुअली व्हेन आई वेंट टू द कंपनी एंड व्हेन आई हैड टू टॉक फॉर मंथ्स एंड डेज, ओवरनाइट भी कई बार हम लोग बातें कर रहे थे कस्टमर से, इंग्लिश में ही करनी पड़ती थी. वो प्रैक्टिस से ये डेवलप हुआ स्किल, राइट? सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस से. तो ये सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस की बात है. आप 6 महीना भी डिसाइड कर दो ना कि मैं इंग्लिश में ही बात करूँगा अपने फ्रेंड से, आप खुद फ्रेंड्स मिलकर डिसाइड कर लो, यू विल स्टार्ट इंप्रूविंग डे बाय डे. मेरे साथ इंटर्न्स जो काम करते हैं बाडू के, इनिशियली वी टॉक इन हिंदी. व्हेन आई स्टार्ट आई से कि व्हेन वी स्टार्ट वी विल टॉक ओनली इन इंग्लिश, इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ गंदी बोलो कैसे भी बोलो, मैं भी उसमें बात करूँगा, आप भी उसमें बात करोगे, अपना स्टेटस अपडेट भी उसी में दोगे. दिस विल हेल्प यू ग्रो योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, राइट? सो इट इज़ अ सेल्फ हेल्प थिंग दैट यू विल हैव टू फिगर आउट सम वेज. अगर इंस्टीट्यूट से तो इंस्टीट्यूट ट्रेनिंग अरेंज कर सकता है, हम लोग भी कई बार सेशन देते हैं. आई एम श्योर अग्रवाल सर हैज आल्सो अरेंज क्वाइट अ फ्यू सेशंस, बट वो एक दो सेशन से नहीं होगा, ये प्रैक्टिस से होएगा. आपको रियल लाइफ में आपके लाना पड़ेगा. अगर नहीं लाएंगे तो फिर वो कहाँ से आएगा? जी आप सेशन अटेंड भी कर लोगे 15 दिन का, उसके बाद क्या, राइट? अगर आप बात ही नहीं करोगे तो फिर वही हो जाएगा. तो अगर इंग्लिश की प्रॉब्लम है तो आई वुड से ब्रिंग इट इन योर प्रैक्टिस. अपने फ्रेंड्स में ही डिसाइड कर लो कि बॉस हम लोग एटलीस्ट 6 महीना यही करेंगे, right? So it's about the practice, right? Communication skills is about practice. कोई अच्छा बोलता है, आपका खुद का ग्रुप बनाओ, debates करो, lot of things you do. And even see there are 2 aspects to communication. One is whether you are able to express your thoughts, be it in any language, right? That is one. And second is whether it's about English, right? Both aspects are different. It's about expressing your thoughts, express in any language. Have those kind of debates in any language, whatever you're comfortable with, right? You will develop those skills. Your mind will start thinking in those ways. How can I structure things to say ऐसे कैसे बोलूँ, असर सांगायचं और क्या सांगायचं, right? और कितने short और उसमें तरीके में बोल सकता हूँ, right? It's about those skills. It's about your thought process. Second is language. Language comes by practice. वो कहीं लेके आओ, अपने routine में लेके आओ, और plus अपने debates में भी लेके आओ चाहिए, right? Both aspects are relevant.
Avnish, the best thing I would suggest is they can start with newspaper, English newspaper
reading,
and news channels, specifically the good news English channels. Because what I feel is we are, the lack of words. We don't know the vocabulary, and that is where the thing comes when they want to express for anybody. So that is one
watching English movies also, news channels, newspapers, reading English newspapers. अगर हमारे यहाँ बाटू में नहीं आते, I think we should make that.
In the library, it is actually the student has to go to library and read the newspaper. I don't suggest that everybody should get in the hostel room, but library is available and sufficient newspaper comes. It is one of the best library what I have seen. But that won't give sustainable solution.
Different story. You should not indulge in that. I mean, it is true for everybody. It is us, for me, for Santosh, or for if you want to succeed, you have to come out from the comfort. ये दिस इज ट्रू, दिस इज यूनिवर्सल। आपको अभी आपको दोनों की बात बताता हूँ कि मेरा सेमिनार का प्रेजेंटेशन था, बच्चा बहुत ही वीडियो तक था, बहुत ही हम्बल तक मुझसे था, और वो एकदम मराठी। मैंने कहा यार तू कुछ भी कर, तू 2 शब्द बोल, लेकिन तू इंग्लिश में ही प्रेजेंटेशन। बट उनको इतना ज़्यादा रेजिस्टेंस है, सो मच रेजिस्टेंस टू स्पीकिंग। मेरे पास जो भी बच्चे आते हैं तो I have picked up the Marathi, but I started talking in English only. I say कि you talk in English only. You have to come out. I am not saying this thing कि आपको मुझे भी अपनी लैंग्वेज से प्यार है, आपको अपनी लैंग्वेज कल्चर से प्यार होनी चाहिए, that is very essential. लेकिन उसका आप ऑब्सेशन मत रखो। The same thing मैं से ब्रांच से कि कुछ तक कुछ होता है कि ब्रांच से इतना ऑब्सेशन आजकल करते हैं कि नहीं मेरा ही ब्रांच, मेरा मैकेनिकल, मैं मैकेनिकल के पढ़ूंगा। नाउ डेज आर गॉन। आप साइलोज में काम करेंगे तो इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प यू। आपको अभी इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी, इंटरकनेक्ट, इंटरकम्युनिकेशन सब कुछ आजकल करना पड़ेगा। आपको कोर जो है कोर ड्रग बनाने पड़ेंगे, जिसको बोलते हैं आजकल जो सॉफ्ट पावर है, उस पर आपको बहुत टारगेट करना पड़ेगा। अभी सिर्फ जो आप सोचते डेज है कौन परेज 2000 आपके वैसे तक था कि आपका कोर इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ के आपको अच्छा जॉब मिलता था, अपने बच्चे बहुत कैपेबल है। बट उसमें क्या होगा कि अभी सॉफ्ट पावर की बहुत जरूरत है। यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन दैट, यू हैव टू लर्न दैट, एंड दिस इज अमलगमेशन। मैं अभी सब बोलता हूँ कि अभी क्या है कि पहले क्या था कि ओनली क्लासरूम टीचिंग और सब्जेक्ट नॉलेज वाज मोर देन सफिशिएंट टू फेच द जॉब। Nowadays it should be amalgamation. The way technology has changed, the kind of student we receive, some amount of fundamental subject knowledge, some amount of skill. आपको स्किल सेट बढ़ाना है। नाउ डेज द टेक्नोलॉजी से आप रोबोटिक्स में पार्ट लीजिए, आप जो है आजकल काफ़ी हद तक जो कोडिंग आ गया है, आपको सॉफ्टवेयर है, और दूसरा सॉफ्ट स्किल टू वर्क ऑन सॉफ्ट स्किल। आई वुड से कि डूइंग 4 years अगर आपने सॉफ्ट स्किल को काम किया, एटलीस्ट 4-5 सॉफ्टवेयर सीख लिए, कुछ तक कोडिंग सीख ली, सम अमाउंट ऑफ सब्जेक्ट नॉलेज, आई वुड से आई बेट यू नोबडी कैन स्टॉप यू फैच द वे ए फेयरली गुड जॉब। एंड सेकंड थिंग इज दैट कि आप सिर्फ कोई भी कोर ब्रांच कर, जैसे मैकेनिकल है, केमिकल है, यू शुड नॉट ओनली थिंक फॉर दैट जॉब। नाउ एंटायर वर्ल्ड हैज चेंज्ड, you have to think for the other country. Lot of finance job is coming, lot of banking job is, then consultant, management consultant, lot of jobs are coming, and think for your own purpose. So this is what I think you should think beyond the horizon. Basically, I would say.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. My next question to Swanam. We know Swanam is one of the very active, talented research. You are also CDC. So Swanam, it's good to know that you are not a CDC member, because it's one CDC and another non-CDC. So everybody has spoken. Agarwal sir has told that you have to connect various dots, and this is the current situation, the history and everything. Avnish has explained what is the requirement in the industry, how skill sets are very important, and Divya has expressed that really we have to, the student has to work on themselves to go ahead and what is their requirement, real requirement. How to find actually, how we can get, how any student can get it, all these requirements as when they are in the campus actually. You have the best opportunity when the campus of Diwali Memorial. So other 350 colleges are isolated, they are not concerned, but you are at the best place actually, where you are very much away from the your home. There is no liability actually from home side. You have to only study, work, improve. So as I told, once you enter into the college, you are qualified as to be an engineer, to get a successful engineer. So my question to you is that how you find what are the requirements lacking, how we can improve, and what is your thought process in this? Please.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself Swanam Muskude. I am a third-year student from Computer Department. I am very thankful to be a part of this panelist. So about the question, I think these connecting the dots and finding the right opportunity things are on one side, but on the student side, I feel the students are a bit more distracted and they do not know the actual process. Like for example, giving my thought process, I feel the more students start applying for the jobs early, the more they will start getting the request from the company. and the more they will start failing in the interview. The more they will fail in the interviews early, the more they can gain the conscious about how the actual interviews work, and then more they can improve on themselves. But I think the students don't know the actual process. The students feel that okay, थर्ड ईयर में देख लेंगे, फोर्थ ईयर के स्टार्टिंग में देख लेंगे कि हाँ तब प्लेसमेंट आने वाली है, तब जाके रेज्यूमे बनाना सीख लेंगे. तो ये जो फोर्थ ईयर वाली वाइब है कि चलो फोर्थ ईयर में देख लेंगे, वो थोड़ा सा पहले इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहिए स्टूडेंट्स को. लाइक अगर CDC अलाउ कर सकती है तो थर्ड ईयर स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी कुछ इंटर्नशिप अगर एलुमनाई हो तो वो बोल सकते कि हम थर्ड ईयर के कुछ स्टूडेंट्स सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं जिनको हम स्पेशल 2 मंथ 3 मंथ्स के लिए मेंटर करेंगे. या फिर अगर CDC ने अलाउ किया इंटर्नशिप्स को बैठने के लिए, या फिर फर्स्ट सेकेंड ईयर से ही स्टूडेंट्स में कॉन्शियस में जगना चाहिए कि प्लेसमेंट क्या चीज़ होती है. फर्स्ट ईयर में ही उनको अपना रेज्यूमे बनाना चाहिए. अगर फॉर व्हाट आई कैन सजेस्ट, फर्स्ट ईयर में हमें कम्युनिकेशन स्किल का सब्जेक्ट होता है, अगर उस सब्जेक्ट में ही हमें रेज्यूमे बनाना सिखा देते हैं तो आज हम थर्ड ईयर में आके हमने जो 4-5 दिन 4-5 हफ्ते भी लगा दिए कभी कभी रेज्यूमे बनाने में. हर कंपनी के लिए अलग अलग थोड़ा सा रेज्यूमे चेंज करना पड़ता है. वो सब टाइम फर्स्ट ईयर में सेकेंड ईयर में हम सीख देते हैं. तो अभी वो टाइम सेव होकर हम अभी कुछ और लाइक कोडिंग स्किल्स हमें हम बढ़ा सकते थे. जैसे कि लीड कोड प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर हम अपने रैंक इम्प्रूव कर सकते, कंपनीज हमें शॉर्टलिस्ट कर सकती थी. वो सब कॉन्शियसनेस स्टूडेंट बहुत देर से जाकर स्टार्ट करते लाइक थर्ड ईयर में. और जो भी होशियार स्टूडेंट्स भी होते हैं वो भी थोड़ा रिलैक्स करने लगे हैं, चिल करने लगे हैं. तो वो थोड़ा सा डिवाइड स्टूडेंट्स थोड़ा सा हो सकता है डिस्ट्रैक्टेड हो गए हैं. सो व्हाट आई कैन से एलुमनाई शुड स्टूडेंट्स में कॉन्शियसनेस अवेयरनेस जगाने की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. अगर किसी भी स्टूडेंट को बोले आपको अपना रेज्यूमे बनाना आता है क्या, और अगर आपको टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ ये जो क्वेश्चन होता है, अगर 2 मिनट भी आपको आप अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे सकते थे जैसे हमारे प्रोफेसर ने हमारे क्लास में दिया था, तो हम नहीं दे पाए थे क्योंकि हमें प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं थी. वो अचानक एक बार का थीम नहीं है, वो हमें हर हफ्ते इंटरव्यू देंगे तभी वो हमें डेवलप हो सकती है ये सारी स्किल्स. तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि स्टूडेंट्स भी कहीं ना कहीं तो लैक कर रहे थे क्योंकि वो एम्प्लॉयबल नहीं है स्टूडेंट्स. भले किसी स्टूडेंट्स में सॉफ्ट स्किल्स अच्छी है, जैसे कि हम बोलते हैं वो एक्सट्रोवर्ट है, लेकिन उसमें शायद टेक्निकल नॉलेज उतना होता नहीं है. कुछ होशियार स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं उनको टेक्निकल नॉलेज बहुत होता है, लेकिन उनको कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स नहीं होते. वो अपने इनिशियल 1-2 इंटरव्यूज नर्वसनेस में ही गवा देते हैं. तो वो नर्वसनेस कैसे टैकल करें, वो CDC कुछ सेशन से, एल्यूमिनाई कुछ मेंटरशिप से बता सके तो ये भी ठीक है. और अगर जैसे कि टेक्निकल नॉलेज सीखना चाहिए, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स कैसा चाहिए, प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स कैसी होनी चाहिए स्टूडेंट्स की, इन सब बातों का मिक्सचर अगर स्टूडेंट्स को राइट टाइम पे पता हो तो वो ज़्यादा अपने करियर के बारे में अर्ली सीरियस हो जाएगा. और जितना अर्ली सीरियस हो जाएंगे उतना ही जल्दी हमें थिंग्स ट्राई करने का मोटिवेशन मिलता है, उतनी जल्दी हम फेल होते हैं. और उन्हीं फेलियर से जल्दी सीखकर हम अपना करियर थोड़ा सा अपवर्ड्स के लिए मूव कर सकते हैं. So I feel the process should start early. The students must get aware about it more and more early, right in the first year, first semester.
Pointed out, and these are the vital issues actually are there in the campus. And what I could realize last 3 years, our process and association, we would like to connect the students, and students are not getting connected. The basic reason is exactly what he has pointed out, and we need to work on that. We'll see that how we get connected. Actually, as I mentioned, I take analogy from the different institutes, IITs and IITs like that. My own daughter, she is studying in second year mechanical engineering at MIT. First year, she was involved in at least 5 to 6 clubs compulsory. She has to devote her time. And devoting means it is not only organizing, it is organizing, participating and coming from it. So the different cross branches, as Avnish mentioned, departmental clubs, then the activity-wise club, like civil service club, Nitish has mentioned, the other activities like the entrepreneurship club or any other club. So similar the mindset of the student, they can come, they can discuss, and something will come forward. And through this club, actually, the skills also can get developed. So more and more clubs has to be there. That's what I feel it. And I request actually, sir is the HOD, senior most HOD also, and the training and placement officer also, handling the CDC also. So I request him that you are there, we are there with you always. Like we are here, always we are there with the CDC, and we keep doing what we are doing now. But again, let's propose some more club actually. Students should form club. You ask actually, initially also when I was felicitating Nitish, I was mentioning that let us make more club. You ask the alumni if you need any support, financial support or the speaker support, anything is required, we will give it. But you be active. The feeling what Swanam and Divya has expressed, actually that can come out. You can do wonders. And you will get job is just a certificate for that you are successfully completed the degree, your graduation. It is not necessary that you do the job actually, but it is only that guarantee that you have successfully done your graduation. But apart from that, there are other avenues like you make your own business and you go for R&D or you go for civil services, certainly go and but try to do all this. And all this, the process actually, as process teacher John sir was mentioning, the process is very important. The process actually, you are making the rice, raw rice, putting the adequate water, the adequate salt is very important. That's where is required for your growth. And the quick question, actually, I'll take 2 seconds from everyone. Sir, I'll take. Sir Swanam, your last note you can give, what you want from alumni.
I can say what students expect from alumni is personal mentorship, I can say, and CDC can focus more on the CAT examination that is ongoing. They can promote it more.
Actually, I feel in part 2, girls are more interested in for joining the clubs and all. You can see the ratio is almost equal. So I don't think they personally feel any barrier for joining clubs.
That's great.
See, actually, what applies in one college will not apply in another college, right? We are here in the state that we are, right? The only thing I personally would request all the students is take your own charge, right? The clubs is a very good way. Even if you have suppose passion for trekking, right? एक trek, अगर आपको लगता है कि मैं एक trek का club drive कर सकता हूँ, take the leadership for that. Wherever there is an opportunity, take the opportunity to drive something, right? For example, mess है. Mess committee में क्यों नहीं आप अपने को nominate करते, right? You learn something from that. Today, that's what Karthi was explaining, right? उसने कितना कुछ सीखा उस process में. आप कुछ भी join कर लेते हो ना, जो आपको comfort zone से बाहर निकालेगा, but आप कुछ नया learn कर रहे हो, वैसी opportunity ले लो. That is the best way to grow yourself and your skills as well. In that process, you'll grow your skills, right? So that's what I would recommend all the students. And to faculty, I think we have to try hard to get our curriculum refined as well as in a way which is practical. Now what has happened right now is every semester you can do internship and you can keep doing internship even along with your curriculum, right?
This was not there during our time. This is an excellent change. I would say students should make the best use of it. पार्ट टाइम इंटर्नशिप्स ले लो जहाँ आपको इंटरेस्ट है, जिस एरिया में इंटरेस्ट है आप उससे लर्न करते जाओगे कॉन्स्टेंटली और उसी में आपकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स भी इंप्रूव होंगे बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग टू यू इंग्लिश राइट फ्रॉम योर सेकंड ईयर और फर्स्ट ईयर आप अपने आप इंप्रूव करोगे ना. तो वैसे अपॉर्चुनिटी ले लो, भले वो डिफिकल्ट लग रहे हैं, ले लो और करो जहाँ पे आप कुछ लर्न करने वाले हो. राइट, so go for it. I think इसका best use आपको करना चाहिए NEP का. We didn't have that privilege. We had it only after every year, right? वो भी 15 days, फिर 1 month, then 2 months, just 3 years, right? But this is even an excellent opportunity. Lot of people are doing it from IITs. तो हम लोग constantly करते रहते हैं. I think even Badu students are doing it now. But I would say whoever is not doing it, please try and use that. Right? Try and reach out to 100 companies. Email भेजो. आपको इंटरनेट तो बहुत अच्छे से आता है ना, कैसे निकालना सबका ईमेल आईडी. राइट, भेजो उनको. जहाँ इंटर्नशिप के रिक्वायरमेंट्स होते हैं ईमेल डालते रहो कि सर मुझे इंटरेस्ट है इसमें, कैन यू ऑफर मी समथिंग. राइट, आप 100 भेजोगे, कम से कम 3-4 आएंगे, अगले दिन और 100 भेजोगे. राइट, ट्राई फॉर इट एंड सी व्हाट यू विल बी एबल टू लर्न. राइट, बट कीप अ माइंड ऑन व्हाट यू आर लर्निंग इन दैट प्रोसेस. राइट, तो दैट इज वेरी गुड.
Last but not the least, actually, to the most revered training placement officer, actually, who is the mentoring every activity of placement and landscaping the employment in the ecosystem of Badu. Sir, what would be your say and guidance to us, sir?
I would say some of the points. First thing that definitely the visibility and brand value of the university students. That is automatically, because the placement is not like that to invite the company. So visibility and the placement, brand value of the university should enhance. We have to target on the soft power. Nowadays it's not a hard power. Soft power means like website of the university, whatever the connect with the community. Students also soft power. Because soft power is one thing which is really coming in place. Soft power. Now, and the core student, they should not think only for the jobs in core. They should come out from that. In essence, come for the core area because they are the multi-disciplines are there where they can work on that. In the institute, from the first year itself, the students should be motivated, guided because the kind of students we receive, they are very from very humble background. From very side background, from very low status, so they need a lot of push. So from the first year itself, the push should be there. Continuous guidance because it is what is happening over here. Like means rightly conduct. कि 15 दिन का कोर्स कर दिया, उसका बच्चे भी भूल गए. Continuously उसको pursue होना चाहिए, guidance होना चाहिए, continuously चलता रहना चाहिए. And of course, strengthening the training and placement cell or CB by appointing a 24/7 training and placement officer. He can work under the professor in charge. He should think, or he or she should think training and placement, sleep with training and placement, breathe with training and placement, always think of training and placement. Then I am sure that nobody can stop. And training and placement, it is not like आपने company दिला दी. Means it is a career path. Career path means it will be the some starting on. So हमको उसको enhance करना है, हमको empower करना है. So these are some of the points. So one of the very important point, and of course I am very happy and I am very thankful to all the alumni. They are immensely helping for enhancing the brand value of our university. I am sure that this meet will act as a catalyst to enhance the brand value of the university. And really a big clap to Santosh ji, who has taken a huge fund. That's why it's happening. This, I would say, even I ascend and I feel like that there was not much support from the faculty, and that's what I am to be frank, I am accepting this. But I hear Shekhar Ali and Abnas, and they are helping a lot. I mean, from their side only. It's not like that we are asking. I mean, like, so you can, the juniors can understand how much they have a love and affection and concern to the Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Technological University. And that university having a unique feature, I always say, it is blessed with the two great personalities, Shivaji ji, the great warrior, and Ambedkar ji, the great social reformer. So, I mean, the blessing of these two persons, and they are helping, then nobody can stop. Only thing is that we have to work. Thank you. All the best.
It has been an extreme good learning for me also as a person, and everybody has expressed very nicely to the questions which are not written. It is all immediate questions, I say, and they responded very nicely to the questions. So basically, this is an area where everybody needs to work, not only the panelists who are sitting actually. Every alumni who needs to give support to this, to foster this ecosystem for landscaping the employment. As I always dream, every student should have at least 2 employment data that should be there, and that can happen. But how it can happen? Sir has expressed, Avnish has expressed, Divya has expressed, and Sonar also expressed. Let us work together. Let us foster it actually. And coming out, any question you would like to ask from the audience, please? Quick questions. Anybody? They can raise their hand, please. Everybody is waiting for lunch. It's good. And we also wind up. So thank you so much. And for me, the last say is that, sir, let us have the club concept rolling. Let us know where we can support you. And we are there always as we placed.
My request about the other community, because what I am observing that with respect to IT companies, the internship is very well defined. Even it is online, they always offer some kind of because happening a lot of projects are coming, small project like this. But somehow core companies, what is happening to them, that whatever kind of internship student they get, only I would say 20-30% are basically they are serving the purpose. The rest of the internship where students just go and they observe this thing over here. Even some of the companies, they try to exploit that, even the core company. That is what I think they will have on that. So somehow, I mean, how we can channelize, how we can really put forth and provide a meaningful internship. Because I always say, there is difference between industry training and internship. And whenever I write the letter, and whenever I write the letter, I talk to them to company, please try to understand. Industrial training, student they can come, they can observe the machine, how, because just it is industry training to expose them the industry environment. When we talk about internship, where student they are with you for 6 months, there should be well-defined problem. The student they should work on the problem. It is some kind of project. They should come out with a solution. And either it will be analytical or experimental or statistical or you can say survey. But they should happen. But in some of the, basically, I would say even I would say the majority of the core internship, the purpose is not getting it. So one of the I would say solution is core people also they should think, and even the university should allow, department should allow. If a mechanical student, if he or she does the AI, what is wrong with that? I would say. If he or she does the internship in Excel, what is wrong with that? If he or she does the banking, what is wrong with that? It should not. But sometimes what happens, the department is also very they say, अरे क्या आपने किसमें internship कर ली, industry training कर ली, काम कर ली. मैं तो यहाँ तक बोलने लगा हूँ कि you do online. Even if you do the some subjects which are not your core on NPTEL, that also can be treated as one of the very learning over here. So these things also we should talk about.
Thank you, sir. So we are closing this session.